In this video, we show how to replace the DCSCM module on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover and air shroud and risers 1, 3, and 2 removed from the system, to remove the DCSCM board out of the system, lift up on the blue latch and then slide it out the rear of the system. If you have an attic card installed, you'll need to migrate it from the old DCSCM board. To remove an attic board from a DCSCM board, first loosen the 2 captive screws to secure it to the board. Then lift up on the board and free it from the pins. To install an attic board, first align it with the pins and press down on the circle and then tighten the 2 captive screws. To install the DCSCM, align it with the rear of the system and slide it all the way in till fully seated, and then press down on the blue latch to secure it. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.